What's up, world? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Dope, and we are here to talk about this braids maintenance. Yes, your girl got her hair braided. Thank you. Yeah. But even though my hair is braided, I still have to keep up with my moisturizing regimen the best that I can. No, I'm not going to spray my hair every day because my hair will curl up right out these braids, and I'm not about to do it. But I will show you what I've been using. I've only had them for 2 weeks, I think 2 weeks. And I've been showing you what I've been using for the past 2 weeks as per normal to moisturize my hair. All right, so for first and foremost, I was always saying this name wrong. It's not Miel, it's Mai. So here's my Miel's leave-in conditioner with my homemade shea butter moisturizer. Yes, I use my own products. I don't just sell it, I use my own stuff. And my aloe vera, rosemary, and carrot growth oil. Yes, I use my own stuff. Why sell it to you if I'm not going to use my own stuff? Like, what? So what I'm going to do, probably what, 4 pumps for the whole head. I don't need my hair to be extra wet because then my hair is going to want to curl up out these braids. But I am 4 pumps per half would be enough. That'll suffice. Because I still wear my bonnet every night like I'm supposed to. Because I know we're out here in quarantine. Everybody just wants to get drunk. That's cool. Put your hood, put your dang on scarf on, bonnet on before you get drunk and you don't have to worry about it. Can nobody come to the house? What you gonna look cute for? Casper? Casper don't care. That's what my mom said to me anyway. Well, you want to get your hair braided for? We got Corona going around, and you want to get your hair braided. Who you trying to look good for? Corona? Bruh, get gone. Love you. And if you happen to see any white specks, that's from the gel that I had put because these baby hairs decided they're going to get up out these braids. But with the moisturizer from Miel, I just go from the length of my hair. There's no need to be bringing the product all the way down knowing my hair is not this long. My hair maybe stops right here. And that's all we're going to do. Now with my moisturizer that I make, I will put about that much. Same thing, down the length of my hair. Make sure to touch that scalp. I don't know how you guys are holding up. I do not know with this quarantine how you guys are holding up. But I hope everyone is fine. Hope everyone is okay, being safe, social distancing, keeping your 6 feet away from each other. Granted, that doesn't work in the house, but you know, you gotta go to the store. Go to the store when you have to go to the store. Don't go to the store just because you want to get out of the house and see somebody. No, that's not how that goes. Put it on, put it on. A little bit more of this moisturizer. I did it backwards. I was supposed to put my moisturizer first and then the leave-in, but who cares? Today is in there. That's all I'm gonna say, it's in there. Then we're gonna take this growth oil, my aloe vera, carrot, and rosemary infused growth oil. What's it smell like? Earth. Earth. See that right there? That's that shit right there. That's like I said. So use however many droplets you need. I got a big head, so I'm gonna go all over. Normally I do 4 drops, 4 drops full. Then we're going to take our fingertips. We're not going to massage like this because then you're just going to mess up your braids. We're just going to rub it in. Pulsate your fingers, not massage. Pulsate. Pulsate those fingers and just move it down to distribute that oil on that scalp. Everyone's hair is different. You moisturize according to your hair needs. My hair needs, I could righteously moisturize every 3 days. Just the same with my hair in this natural state out of braids. If you're in Alabama and you want your hair braided, hit me up because I will surely give you the information to Shauna. Shauna braids hair, braided by Shauna. Matter of fact, I'll put her IG up here somewhere and you guys can go follow her. And that is it, people. And you just want to make sure you do this. Make sure just because you have a protective style does not mean you need to neglect your hair. Your hair is in there and you need to take care of it. As always, love, peace, hair grease, pray for one another because this world is losing it. Okay? Social distancing, wash your hands, people. Sanitize. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.